Take a look at this channel with only 75 subscribers, gets more than 1,000 views in the past month. This is very tough because new channels want to attract most people's attention. This channel has got more than 25 hours of watch time in the past month. So in this video I'm gonna share my secret strategy which I used to grow this channel. Once you know it, you can build your empire on YouTube and your views will skyrocket and you will start making thousands of dollars. Just imagine about the new lifestyle you will have, sitting at home, making money at the internet and having total freedom to go out and do what you want. All this and more is starting in a few seconds. If you're putting effort into creating engaging content for your YouTube channel, why go out of your way to also promote it on other platforms? According to Smart Insights, 53.6% of the world's population uses YouTube, with 98.8% of users accessing them via mobile devices. Building viewer loyalty with your videos is about more than just creating YouTube videos and hoping that the algorithm picks them up. Utilizing some additional support to extend your channel's reach will significantly improve your content's engagement and lead to more subscribers for your channel. It will signal to potential and existing viewers that you are committed to your channel and that more content is coming soon. So this video is the second part of growing views on YouTube. If you haven't seen the first part, check out the cards and in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. In this video we're going to increase YouTube views with a website called ytmonster, which has a lot of customers in it. To use their features we need to create an account, but if you have one you can log in. So this is their user interface. If you want to how the website works, check this out. They'll give you step-by-step tutorials about how you can use it. Let's get back to the dashboard. Currently I have only 1 credit left because I have used all of it just now. But first you should link your channel to their website. Click here, click link channel and give your channel link. Now I'll show you how you can earn credits and convert them to views and subscribers. Firstly, they have YouTube views and provide you 120 credits for watching other people's videos for an hour. In addition, they also have subscribing, YouTube likes, comments which is currently under maintenance and you can earn credits using their referral program. Here's the masterpiece: if you promote them, you'll earn up to 2,500 credits and they also give bonuses for daily milestones you reach. Furthermore, we'll look at how to use each features to earn credits. So the first thing is YouTube views. As you can see how much they are paying to each subscription based on the plan they use. So for the free version you'll get 120 credits and for the paid versions it starts increasing. Let's start watching videos. Click on Launch Client. Here click Start. It automatically starts playing YouTube videos. I recommend you to mute the video and set it to the lowest quality and minimize the screen, so that it can run in the background. Next thing is earning credits by subscribing other people's channels to earn credits. Start subscribing to earn credits. Subscribe the channel and wait for a few seconds till it gets loaded, and click Verify Subscription. It'll be automatically verified within 15 minutes and your reward will be credited automatically. Next is YouTube likes, which is no different from both of these, so I'll leave it to you, and we can't explore the comments section because it's currently under maintenance. In addition, we can check their referral programs. You can also access it from clicking here. You'll get 1,000 credits as initial bonus as your referral is active for the first time. Copy your referral link and shorten it using bit.ly and give that to other people. Here's the promotion page. They offer 4 kinds of promotions for them, from liking them in Facebook to uploading a YouTube video about them, and they're paying about 2,500 credits for this. Be sure to check all that out. One more thing that I forget to show you is their links and their blogs. Make use of all these blogs. So let's move on to create a campaign. As you can see, I just created this campaign 16 minutes ago and used all of my credits in this, adding 198 views to one of my videos. This is the video that I have uploaded, which has ranked number 1 in search results. Be sure to check that out, and please give this video a like if you find this content useful. If you dislike it, please mention it in the comments why you don't like this video. One more reminder, subscribe now or I'll take your dog. Let's get back to video. Click on New Campaign, select the feature you want to add, like increasing views, subscribers or likes, and here provide your video link and it's done. I currently have no credits left, and that's why it's not showing me any results, and you can also select the amount of watch time you need for this video. Here comes the most important aspect. You can enable these slots for better results, but this is paid. Priority slots helps to complete your campaign faster. Geo-targeting allows you to target specific location to improve views and search ranking, and the sending limit is the number of views you want to receive in a period of time. Here we can check their paid services. They offer memberships, priority slots, credits, campaigns, and much more. If you want, you can check out their prices here. Each of them has a 3-day free trial and you will not be automatically charged after the trial ends. You can also compare the plans right here. So that's all for today. Hope you guys get a ton of value from this. Be sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.